Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today I was going to show you a change I've made to my Jetboil cook setup that I use on my kayak to brew coffee. Originally I had it just in a stuff sack, which was fine, except when I carry all my gear down to the river, my Possibles bag, my water bottle bag, the console for the canoe or the kayak, the paddle, the PFD, all that stuff. I try to make it in one trip, and this was just one more thing in my hand, like the water bottle kit, which is a Pathfinder water bottle bag, and my Possibles, which is a fanny pack. You know, I can just sling that over my shoulder. You know, put the PFD over that, and then I have less things in my hands. So I thought, I wonder if one of these small, the cheaper water bottle bags would work, and I had one, and sure enough, the Jetboil will fit in there. It's a little snug, so I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and get another of these bottle bags and build for my Jetboil. So anyway, I bought this one on eBay, of course, and I found a place that actually, most of the ones I've gotten in the past or seen don't come with straps, but this one actually came with a strap, which is nice. And if I find it, I'll try to put a link in the description box below. So anyway, this standard bottle bag you might have all seen before, but what I did was, so I'll just kind of take it apart for you. I got my little towel I bring mostly to cover up my legs so I don't pour boiling water on myself by mistake. And the bag was just a little snug. It just barely fits, and it was just a little snug to get the lid of the Jetboil down in there without, you know, warping it too much. But the top had plenty of room, or more room, I should say. And so I just go ahead and I'm going to keep that up in the lid just to keep it out of the way. Okay, and then the Jetboil, and getting ahead of myself. What I did was, it is, like I said, it is a very snug fit. It just barely fits in there, but it does. Not, you know, and you can't, you know, it's not too hard to work it out. But to make it easier, what I did was I took some cord and I attached it through the drain hole that comes with these water bottle bags. So then I can just grab it here, and then make it just easier to pull the Jetboil out, as you can see, without a problem. So there you go. The Jetboil fits in there just fine. I got all the stuff in there. I'm not going to take this apart because I have a separate video on all of this, and I'll put that link to that video in the description box. But that's the only thing I keep in here are these three items right here. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of room. There'll be plenty of room for other items if I come up with them, but right now I'm just using this to make coffee on the, on the water. But okay, it has the outside pocket here, and it right now all I have in it is my medicine bottle with 2 rounds of coffee grounds in there, and then I got a spoon in here to stir up the grounds when I make the French press. That's what I use, a French press. So like I said, I got gobs of room in here if I want to add other things later on as I come up with them or as I come across them. So anyway, then it goes right back in. Not too bad. Slides right in there, really pretty good. Imagine as this thing kind of stretches out from shipping, it might even work better. I don't know. This might even fit down in here better now, but it's just as easy to stick it up here in the lid of the water bottle bag. There you go. Fits right in there. I can stick this guy back in the top. And I still got a little bit of room in here, so you could add more stuff if you want. And then, like again here, like I said, sling this over my shoulder with my other bags and march down to the water and load her in the boat, and I'm off. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, found this interesting, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.